how to add GIF on Messenger notes. So first of all, open your Messenger. And after opening your Messenger, here you can see this is the note option. Simply tap on this note in order to add one. And in here, you can now type down your thoughts. But in here, you can see the option of GIF. Simply tap on this option. And in here, we'll get a lot of GIFs in here. You can scroll down and search for the one that you like, or you can simply tap on this search option right here and search for the specific GIF. For now, I'm going to go with the good day and then tap on a search. In here, you can see there are a lot of good day GIF that I can find. I'm going to go with this particular one. Simply tap on it. And in here, you can see this is the GIF. All I need to do is tap on share, and that is it. That is how you can add GIF on your Messenger notes. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.